Airbnb tutorial for beginners. So in today's video I'm going to show you how Airbnb works, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how you can get cheap prices. So first, let me select the location where we want to go. So first, let's just click select Chicago, and let's select our checking date as 22 August and our checkout date as 7th September. And then let's just select 2 adults and hit on search. And as you can see, all the properties that's available is showing on the right side. The maps of those properties is being shown. Now let's first of all let's master the filters and how you can use advanced filters to get the best prices. And as you can see, like, there's different options. Like, for example, you can select, or if you want a property with fireplace, or if you want a property with private pool, you can just use the advanced filters to do that. And using filters you can also get, so yeah, you can select whether you want an entire room or whether you want an entire home. And you can select how many bedroom that home has. You can select whether you want Wi-Fi. I'll just select dedicated workspace, because if you select that, then you'll have all the extra amenities. Basically that's what you get. Then you can select you want a kitchen, then you can select smoking or anything else. Then you can select whether you want pets, whether you want self-check-in or free cancellation or that stuff. Personally, I like instant booking because I don't want to like face any hassle, because I might not be able to like have time to book later, so I always select instant booking. And then there's two options, guest favorite and luxury. So I always do guest favorite, and I will talk more about that later on. Now let's select this filter at the beginning and see which properties we have. So as you can see at the left side, we have 121 homes available, and you can see two options. One is superhost and another one is like guest favorite. And I always prefer guest favorite because all superhost properties are not guest favorite, but all guest favorite properties are hosted by superhost, which I'm gonna go a little bit more detail. So for example, we are seeing a home for 112,708 Mexican pesos. First, let me change the currency. I'm gonna deselect the auto translation and select United States US dollars, so that it becomes easier for you guys to understand. And as you can see, for 16 nights, this apartment costs for $2,710. And let's see what this home has. And so first of all, we're seeing that yes, this hotel is a guest favorite. It has 94 reviews, and also it has 4.9 star out of 5, so which is a very good thing, to be honest. And some of the extra thing we can see is that this is hosted by Superhost, and if you click on that, you'll have more details about them. And they're Superhost, and they're also a guest favorite, as you can see at the top side. And now let's check how the property looks. So far it looks great. I'm really liking this, so I might book it. And as you scroll down, you might see like more and more options or the amenities that property provides, and you can choose whether you want that or not. Now if you go at the bottom, you can message the host, and I always recommend you to do that, because, like, for example, if you have special preferences, or if you want to like find out whether these properties has any problems or not from the host, you can just contact them, and the host will like give you all the details. For example, if you want a special if you want check-in at the early time, or if you want to check out late, you can always like contact with the host, and they'll be more than happy to help you out with those things. And so this is a good property overall. And another thing I would like to add is that in Airbnb, if you book, for example, more than a week, you get a weekly discount. And also if you book for more than 28 days, then you get a monthly discount. So For example, in this filter, we picked 16 nights, so we got a weekly discount. But if you book for more than 28 days, you eventually get a monthly discount, and which is great, to be honest. Now let's mess around with the filters a little bit more. You can also play with the prices. For example, I let's just say that I want properties less than $1,000, and you can see only one property shows up, and for 16 night it costs $1,683. And since we book more than like a week, our weekly discount automatically applied to our account, which is great. So yeah, overall that's how you use Airbnb. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you want to watch more tutorial like this, then hit subscribe. Thank you for watching.